This boat is mine, so I painted it black and blue. Because no one's gonna tell me what to do. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let them talk, let them think what they believe is true. You don't care, you're just a drifter, you don't care if you lose. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm from Mars, you're from Venus. I'm just roaming in your big bad world. And it's right now when things get serious. There are some words I'm not gonna hold. I don't mind if I don't know where the stream is taking me. I close my eyes, I swallow it all, I'm just willing to leave. I'm a drifter, as you've told, alone in my boat, I must find myself before I grow old. So let me go, so let me go, so let me go, so let me go, so let me go. In case you're not understanding, I'm just leaving a big bad road. All I had ended up ending, since that boat to me was so So instead of crying, I'll go further from the things that I've done wrong. Forgive me, mother, forgive me, father. I might not be coming back home. In this long, wicked journey, eternal impious, I found time to meditate. There is no need to hesitate to break, to stay when you just wanna run away. Now I'm moving from place to place, although I miss the warmth of your embrace. And I remember when my father once said, no matter how hard the ways, be brave, be brave, be brave, be brave, be brave. Be brave, be brave, be brave. I'm from Mars, you're all from Venus, and I just left the big bad world. In my mind things got delirious, since that boat to me was so